Live and always streaming. This is CBS News Detroit, getting answers.
Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us. I'm Rochelle Graham. More victims have come forward saying they were sexually assaulted by a nurse at Detroit Medical Center's Sinai-Grace Hospital. CBS News Detroit's Alicia Bergio joins us live in studio with more on these new allegations. Alicia.
Rochelle, a $100 million lawsuit was already filed last month alleging sexual abuse by this former nurse. And now we're hearing there are more alleged victims and a new $150 million lawsuit filed this week.
The worst thing here is the amount of evidence showing him to have been a known predator.
Tim Holland, attorney at Michigan Sexual Assault Lawyers, says the alleged sexual assault cases involving former DMC Sinai-Grace nurse Wilfredo Figueroa-Berrios continues to climb.
We truly believe that survivors could be in the hundreds, and we are encouraging each and every one of them to come forward.
On Monday, Holland says a $150 million lawsuit was filed on behalf of his client, Trejah Shines, detailing an incident involving Berrios on July 26th.
The known predator performed an unnecessary pap smear upon her, and then after that, she was drugged with a type of sedative, and then she was assaulted over some time that we believe to be upwards of an hour.
The victim reported the assault to police immediately. A rape kit later tested positive.
She herself is an LPN, a nurse, and that has, how the healthcare system could have this happen to her has been especially devastating for her.
Multiple lawsuits have been filed, and several victims have since come forward accusing Berrios of sexual assault. Documents even reveal a criminal history. Holland claims Sinai-Grace had to know Berrios was a predator. These assaults could have been avoided.
We think that the evidence that they knew, or at a minimum should have known and prevented this, we think it's going to be absolutely insurmountable for Sinai-Grace.
And go ahead and take a look at your screen there. Sinai-Grace sent us a statement in response to this lawsuit. They say, quote, upon becoming aware of the allegations, they proactively initiated contact with and notified law enforcement and suspended the employee, who has since been terminated. I was also told a second lawsuit representing another alleged victim will be filed by Michigan sexual assault lawyers in a few weeks. Rochelle?
All right, Alicia, thank you for that update. A Detroit mother